Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. This part is in continuation of the previous part, so go ahead, watch it first and then come back to this video again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. In this practical, we'll see how to add on-click handlers for the buttons. In this task, you will add methods to your main activity that execute when the user clicks on each button. Why? Because interactive apps must respond to user input. To connect a user action in a view to application code, you need to do two things. Write a method that performs a specific action when a user clicks an on-screen button. Associate this method to the view, so this method is called when the user interacts with the view. First, we'll add onClick property to the button. A click handler is a method that is invoked when the user clicks on a user interface element. In Android, you can specify the name of the click handler method for each view in the XML layout file with the Android onClick property. Open activity main.xml. Add the following property to the button toast button. Add the following attribute to the button count button. Inside of activity main.xml, place your mouse cursor over each of these method names. Press Alt Enter, Option Enter on the Mac and select Create onClick Event Handler. Choose the main activity and click OK. This creates placeholder method stubs for the onClick methods in mainActivity.java. Second, we'll show a toast when the toast button is clicked. A toast provides simple feedback about an operation in a small pop-up. It only fills the amount of space required for the message and the current activity remains visible and interactive. Toasts provide another way for you to test the interactivity of your app. In mainActivity.java, add code to the showToast method to show a toast message. To create an instance of a toast, you call the makeToastFactory method on the toast class, supplying a context, the message to display and the duration of display. You display the toast calling show method. This is a common pattern that you can reuse the code you are going to write. First, get the context of the application. Displaying a toast message requires a context. The context of an application contains global information about the application environment. Since a toast displays on top of the visible UI, the system needs information about the current activity. When you are already in the context of the activity whose context you need, you can also use this as the shortcut to the context. The length of a toast string can be either short or long, and you specify which one by using a toast constant. Toast.lengthLong, toast.lengthShort. The actual lengths are about 3.5 seconds for the long toast and 2 seconds for the short toast. The values are specified in the Android source code. Create an instance of the toast class with the context, message and duration. The context is the application context we got earlier. The message is the string you want to display. The duration is one of the predefined constants, toast.lengthLong or toast.lengthShort. Extract the hello toast string into a string resource and call it toast_message. Place the cursor on the string hello toast. Press Alt Enter, Option Enter on the Mac. Select Extract String Resources. Set the resource name to toast_message and click OK. This will store hello world as a string resource name toast_message in the string resources file string.xml. The string parameter in your method call is replaced with the reference to the resource. R identifies the parameter as a resource. String references the name of the XML file where the resource is defined. Toast message is the name of the resource. Display the toast. Run your app and verify the toast shows when the toast button is tapped. That's it for this video. We'll continue in the next part. Keep watching Back to Coding and don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.